We'll guide you through how to delete an email in Gmail using the most recent methods and interface. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com, then log into your account with your username and password. Once you are in your inbox, look for the email you want to delete. You can either scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly by typing in keywords related to the email. Once you find the email, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a small checkbox appear to the left of the email. Click on this checkbox to select the email. You can select multiple emails by checking additional boxes if you wish to delete more than one email at a time. After selecting the email or emails you want to delete, look at the top of your inbox. You will see a trash can icon, which is the delete button. Click on this trash can icon, and the selected emails will be moved to the trash folder. If you want to permanently delete these emails right away, go to the trash folder on the left sidebar. Inside the trash folder, you can choose to empty the trash to permanently remove all emails, or you can select specific ones to delete forever. Remember that emails in the trash folder will be automatically deleted after 30 days, so they won't stay there indefinitely. Deleting unnecessary emails regularly can help keep your inbox organized and free up storage space. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.